Why do Amazon PPC ads sometimes get impressions and other times no impressions at all? Reason for that is going to be, first off, we have to troubleshoot what is causing it. The first most obvious thing that an Amazon advertiser is going to tell you is that you are not bidding high enough. Amazon PPC, it's a bidding system. The one that is bidding highest has the most guarantee that their ads are going to be shown or viewable. Now, in this specific scenario, since now I know better and I'm not going to give you only that answer, the second answer is either you lost buy box, which means that your ad is not eligible to have the buy box. That is also something that could cause you not having impressions. Second thing, what we actually noticed, and this is not as much as impression, but placements. Sometimes when you're not indexing for one specific keyword, also that can cause you to not get impressions. So if it comes down to how would you troubleshoot this quickly, first off, are you bidding high enough? And the craziest thing and most secure thing you can do here is, let's say that an average bid is $1. What we're doing on our end, we're going to up the bid to $20 and then see, do we show up on the first page? And usually very, very quickly, within seconds, if you're going to open up a new incognito window and you're going to type the exact match keyword that you're supposed to rank for in exact match, keep in mind that only that is when it's going to work, this strategy. So you're going to have a sponsored product exact match keyword. You're going to use that specific keyword in incognito on Amazon to check for your product. Now, if your product is not showing up there, and if you're bidding $20, your product might still be visible, but on other placements. So that is the first thing that we want to check. If we show up on the first page, top of search, that is already an okay sign that probably the bid is too low. So we would need to bid more aggressively to show up on the first page, right? The second thing that could happen is, and this is something, I'm not sure if it's a glitch, we actually created several cases with Amazon and still did not got resolution for this. What we noticed is that certain products that we're advertising, even if we organically ranking for it within the first page, if we're going to even highly aggressively bid for it, by aggressive bidding, I mean that our average CPC is around $2 and we're bidding $50 just because we wanted to test this. So even with $50 bid, we got clicks, but was not top of search. And then what we did, we added a top of search placement modifier, 100%. Still, we are not getting any impressions. So that can be one of the cases when you are not getting impressions. Once you understand that, first off, you would rule out, okay, is it a technical issue? If it's not a technical issue, is it something on Amazon end? Usually what we're doing, we're opening up a case and then we're going to let them know step by step what we did and what is our outcome. Really important, especially if you have data. Share a screenshot with them. Exactly the moment that we contacted support and told them that we are bidding aggressively for this keyword, we're not showing up top of search, but we have like 20 clicks on rest of search and 30 more on product pages, which is not the placements we want to advertise on. That was clear data to show them that it's not our bidding strategy. And the first thing that they said, hey, probably your bids are not high enough. So that's why I'm saying that if you want to save yourself a lot of back and forth with support, have a clear screenshot, even highlighted with red, the information you want to share with them. So that would be our process.